Good morning, dear children. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in the previous class. In the previous class, we have learned about wind. What is wind? Yes, moving air is called wind. Does air have so much of strength to cause changes? If we talk about movement of the hair, or if we talk about the pages of books which get turned on its own due to wind, or the movement of different parts of a plant. So all these movements happen because some sort of force applies on this object. So that means when air moves, there is some sort of energy because of which it makes other object to move. So let us see how exactly or what property of air helps in movements of objects. So here we will talk about air exerts pressure. Now this pressure makes things move along with the moving air.
Now let us understand it better with the help of some examples. When you ride a bicycle, so riding a bicycle is also easier when you are trying to ride it in the same direction as the wind. So let's say you're riding in this direction. The wind is also blowing in the same direction. So the wind will actually give pressure and it will exert a force on the same direction, which will make your riding easier. Flying a kite. When you fly a kite, if the wind again in the same direction, it becomes easier for you. Now what happens when you fly a kite in this direction, but there is a wind which is blowing in the opposite direction? So basically the wind is trying to oppose the movement of kite and you need to apply more force. So it will need more effort from your side to fly a kite in a direction of opposite to that of the wind. When you are sailing boat, if you are sailing boat in the direction of the wind, it becomes easier. But the same thing when you do in opposite direction, it becomes difficult. Now whenever you are moving along the direction of wind, you need to put less effort. That's because air also putting some pressure. Moving air is also exerting some pressure, either on you or on the boat or a kite or a bicycle. So in all these cases, air exerts pressure. Now let us see some experiments. Take a glass and fill it with water. Now take a cardboard and place the cardboard over the glass. What you have to do, turn the glass upside down and remove your hand from the cardboard gently. You will notice that cardboard does not fall off and water remains inside the inverted glass. Do you know why does this happen? Because there is some pressure which is being exerted. Our hand is not exerting any pressure. Then what? It is basically the pressure which is exerted by the air in the atmosphere. Now air is present everywhere. So basically the atmospheric pressure which is exerted on this cardboard is greater than the pressure which is exerted by the water which is present inside the glass. So this atmospheric pressure forces a cardboard to stick to the glass. Take a tin can with lid. Fill it with approximately half with water. Heat the can on a candle flame till the water boils. Let the water boil for a few minutes. Now blow out the candle and immediately put the lid tightly on the can. Put the can carefully in a shallow metallic vessel or a wash basin. Now pour fresh water over the can. You will notice that the can gets crushed. Now why does the can get crushed? It is because on pouring cold water, steam inside the can immediately changes into water and reducing the amount of air inside. Thus the air from outside exerts pressure on the walls of the can and crushes it.
Dear students, today we have discussed about air exerts pressure. With the help of an experiments and examples, we have learned air exerts pressure. So dear students, please read the textbook, page number 80 and 81. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom, and there will be a test paper. So please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.